Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic ZW3D, how to draw line from two point. We can create new part, click OK and click sketch. I will choose top plan, click OK again. After it, to draw line from two point, you can click at this icon line and then choose two point options in a line dialog box. Now you need to specify for the first point, I will click here, and the second point I will move to the right. The other option you also can set for length. In here I will set length like into 100. You can click for the first point in here. And for length I will set into 100. Press enter. And then you can click on drawing area. It will be set into 100 points. Like this. Okay, I will click again from this point to the bottom. We set into 25. And I will click in here to apply. Okay, that's it for basic ZW3D, how to draw line from two point. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.